Have you ever wanted to add some helpful information to your reports? Well, you can with Bookmarks, and I'll show you how in this Power BI for Sport tutorial. If you're finding my videos for the first time, make sure you subscribe below to be notified for any future videos. So this week what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some helpful information to this shot dashboard that we created a while back. And we're going to do this by using a few bookmarks. These bookmarks will help you to add a button in the top corner, and you can hide and show that data or the information by clicking that button at the top there. So what we'll do first is we'll just add in our button, and so we'll just use information. It's already one built into Power BI, and we can just change the size of it a little bit, and there you go. What you can do is you can just format it however you want. What I do is always just remove the background. So you have our button, and then the next thing you want to do is you can add in a shape or you can add in a text box. I tend to just add in a shape 1, and I'll show you what I do with this. So you can add in your shape to cover the whole box here. And you can have a fill or you don't need to have a fill. It's up to you. I'll have a little fill color and I will make it say 50% transparent. We'll go a little bit less. We'll go 25. There we go. And then you don't need to have a line around the outside if you don't want to. And then that's pretty good there for now. So we'll have that just as an overlay. And then we'll add a text box here in the middle. And for this, all we'll do is just add some information that helps to explain what some of the information is on the screen. So what we'll do is we'll just put a couple of pieces here, and we'll just call this a glossary. And we'll change the size of our text to make it nice and big. And then this will just make it a little bit smaller. So for example, what you can do is just go XG, expected goals, XG per shot, expected goals per shot taken, and then just for example, shots under pressure, shots where stats bomb identified a pressure action. Alright, that's quite simple, so we'll use that for now. We'll just make this quite small. We don't need this to be huge. And then our background, we can make this color again if we want to, or we can make it bright red. And you can add a border if you want to. This is just something that I like to do. Just give it a bit of shape. I just wanted that to be 20. Okay. Alright, and so now on to the piece that makes this actually work. We'll add on, what we're going to do first is we'll just hide both of these. Or actually, we'll start first. We'll hide our information button. So what I need to do is, what you can do is you can do it by either just trying to select the objects, or you can go into View and Selection. And for me, what I'll do is I'll just hit Button. And then what you would do is, we'll add one extra thing before we do this actually. We'll just add another button and we'll just call it Back. We'll grab the Back button and we'll add this in the top corner here. And we'll remove the background. So that's a button just to get rid of the information. And then what you're going to do is you are going to go again into View and hit Bookmarks. And what you can do is just go Add. What we can do is just call this information. And then all you need to do is you don't need to just show the data, sorry. And I think it's display as well. So we've got both of those, and then the next thing we'll do is we'll just go update there, and then we'll hide those, and we'll show this one, and we'll go and call this report. And again, we don't want data and display. Oh, we do want display, my bad. Update. Hide this one. Show these ones. There we go. So now what you can do is you can add these bookmarks to your button. So if we just click on our button here, you can change action down here, and all we'll do is just click bookmark and choose the bookmark we want to add. Now when you're in desktop, if you hit Control and then click the button, it'll change to your bookmark. So if we go information here, bookmark, information, click it, and we've got our information up here. It's easy as that, and you've got some information that will appear based on bookmarks that you've created within Power BI. You can use these bookmarks for a variety of things, if that's for showing different pieces of data, changing the visuals that are on a page, or even just page navigation you can use as well, but they've added in that as well for buttons and even images and stuff like that you can add your action to. So if you've enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit like and subscribe below, and I hope to see you next time where we'll continue to power performance through data. Thank you.